Now, I saw this image on Star Trek Picard, and I was thinking that, well, this is how planets or stars are formed. Because we know that black holes, they suck matter or energy into itself, and obviously it goes somewhere, and it collects, it builds, and then, you know, a star or a planet is formed, right? When, like, a woman, her stomach is flat, then all of a sudden, because she's impregnated, over time, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then you have to get it out, right? What if this image, that's exactly how planets were formed? A whole bunch of matter is going into the matter and energy is going into the black hole. It's forming something, a star or a planet. Eventually, the Big Bang, it comes into existence, and it develops from there. And it depends what's around it. Like the Earth was fortunate to have the sun near it, so it developed that much better because of the sun's influence, right? I think that's fascinating. So this whole thing about God, and that's it's more complicated than that, right? And I thought image was very fascinating, and I think that's how planets or stars are formed. For some reason, there's a black hole in a certain area, and it collects enough energy and matter and whatever. It builds. It takes a long time, of course. Then eventually, boom, you have life, whether it's a sun or planet. It's fascinating, isn't it?